In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Stripe Webhook Endpoint URL. Let's start on the Webhooks page. You should already be on your Stripe dashboard, so in your browser, open dashboard.stripe.com/webhooks. Stay on this page, which sits under Workbench, then Webhooks. Confirm that the heading at the top says Event Destinations. Next, let's create a temporary endpoint URL. Open a new browser tab and go to webhook.site. The page will automatically generate a unique URL for you. Copy that generated unique URL to your clipboard. Then return to the Stripe Webhooks tab in your browser. Now let's add a new destination. In the top right of the Stripe Webhooks page, click the Add Destination button. Next, we'll choose the event to listen for. Leave the API version set to the default value. If Stripe asks where the events are coming from, choose Events on your account, or simply, Your account. Now click into the Event search field and type the name of the event you want to listen for. For this example, type checkout.session.completed. When the matching result appears, select checkout.session.completed from the list. Then click Continue to move on. Next, we'll choose the destination type. From the available options, select Webhook or Webhook Endpoint, depending on what Stripe shows. Then click Continue. Now it's time to enter the endpoint URL. Click into the endpoint URL field. Then paste the webhook.site URL that you copied earlier. After that, click into the description field just below it. Type in a short description for this webhook. For this example, type Demo Webhook Receiver. Of course, on your end, enter whatever description makes the most sense for your own setup, so you can recognize it later inside Stripe. When you've filled both fields, click the Create Destination button at the bottom of the form. If Stripe pops up a confirmation prompt asking you to confirm the action, simply click Create Destination again to approve it. Once that's done, you should land on the New Destination Details page. Here you'll be able to see the endpoint URL you entered, the event you selected, and a confirmation that the webhook destination is now active and ready to receive events from Stripe. Congratulations! You have successfully created a Stripe Webhook Endpoint URL, and your destination is now live and ready to capture events as they happen on your Stripe account.